Pretty sure my husband's truck is haunted. See? The ghost does not like the music I'm listening to, so it changes it around. Now we're listening to classic. See? Look. What's it gonna pick next? Oh! Oh, didn't like... Nope. Tell me that's not freaky. Earlier he found jazz and he really liked that because we listened to that for the longest. Look.
The workers, our police and fire, our teachers, our sanitation, transportation.
Oh, we're going to listen to... Oh, nope.
Them earlier and more.
Changed his mind.
They are heroes. They risk their lives, many of them.
To ask because depending on your location, occupation, and job...
And this is why I don't drive my husband's truck often.